So let us start with the ideals of a constitution. Okay, so now first we are talking about preamble. Now what is preamble? Preamble is basically an introduction of the constitution. Okay, you read any chapter, there is always a brief introduction about the chapter, or what is the chapter dealing with, what specific things are there in the chapter. It will explain to you in a paragraph or 3 to 4 lines. The same way we have preamble, that is an introductory document which explains the goal of the government. It states the aims and objectives of the constitution. So what is preamble? It basically talks about the goals of the government, okay, and general goals of the government. Though every government have different kinds of goals, but the preamble talks about what basic goals should a government have, and it states that what are the aims and objectives of a constitution. So it is basically, you need to remember, an introduction to a constitution. Okay, so let us read our preamble. It says, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. So we basically say that as Indian people and as the people of India, we have solemnly means in a formal and dignified manner. Okay, so we have formally adopted our constitution, which is sovereign. Okay, these are the principles. We will read about this in detail. Socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens, and all its citizens have adopted it. Then we are talking about justice, which refers to social, economic, and political justice. Liberty, that means freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all. Okay, it also talks about equality among everyone. Fraternity, that basically means brotherhood, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, in basically in the year 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this constitution. Okay, and the term socialist and secular were adopted to the original preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976. Okay, so you just need to remember that what basic principles our preamble is talking about. Preamble is basically the introduction to a constitution. Okay, and you need to remember that the principle of socialism and secularism were added later on to the preamble. And we talk generally about justice, equality, liberty, how is our country is sovereign, democratic republic, secular, these basic principles. Okay, a careful study through the preamble reveals that it is the people of India who are stating their aims and giving power to themselves. It thus depicts the hopes and aspirations of the people of India. Every government must keep the main principles of our constitution in mind while framing the laws. Let us read about such principles. So they are basically saying, if you will closely read the preamble, you will realize that everything written in the preamble is about people, is about the aim of the people and giving power to the people. Okay, see, when our framers were framing constitution, so the principles of liberty, justice, democracy, secular, whom is it for? It is for the people only, and people have given power to themselves. Okay, and it is also talking that whenever a government is coming, it should respect the constitution and it should follow what? The principles of the constitution. Okay, so now we will read about and discuss about each principles in detail.